Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome again. Welcome to the next session of our week 8 video session. What we have to discuss right now, that is about cardinalities of relationship. Cardinalities के point of view से it's a bit easy concept. आप लोगों को काफ़ी हद तक idea होगा. एक हम quickly एक overview ले लेंगे. इसका कौन कौन सी cardinalities होती हैं और किस तरह हम इनको with different entities relationship के point of view से इनको represent करते हैं. Now, what's the meaning of cardinality? Means constraint, restriction, or relationship. It represents the number of instances making relationship with another instance of other entity. So first one is about, we can say that is about one to one relationship, just like one HOD is heading or is head of the one department, that is one on one direct relationship जो हम पहले भी पिछली slides में discuss कर चुके हैं up to some extent. This type of one on one relationship due to having exactly one instance of each side, that means one instance of one side entity is making the relationship with exactly one instance of another entity. So that is one on one or one to one relationship. So another notation is that can be the this way through which we can represent this relationship. So it's about one on one relationship. Next one is about when we are talking about, like, this one is also the optional relationship. Single vertical bar on each side mention that one instance of each side is involved to make the relationship another one. Next relationship is one to many relationship. Now, a single instance of one side entity makes the relationship with many instances of other entity. So that means one to many relationship. That means one manager has many employees and he's managing number of employees. So that is about one to many relationship. One manager is managing number of employees. That is about one to many. One student is taking number of courses. That is about one to many relationship. So these are the one to many relationships example, and these are the symbols that we can use one and many relationship for many. This one is the symbol we can use. This one is about many to many. This one is the next, we can say, and, what's this? This one is the next, we can say that is the next relationship, many to many. Now, many to many means many to many, a single instance of one side entity makes the relation with many instances of another side. And another side entity has to link it with another side, that means first entity relationship. So that is many to many. Just like this one student can take number of courses and number of courses has, and one course has been registered by number of students. So this one is about many to many relationship. And being a 8 semester student, सेकेंड थर्ड के लिए ये एक न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट्स होते हैं. माशाल्लाह आप लोगों को तो इन सारी चीज़ों का आइडिया, अब तो आप लोग डेटाबेस अपने बना भी चुके होंगे, तो यू नो वेरी वेल. Another example is like there are number of examples. Other examples are like person is married to a person. So that means it's about again one entity, one on one relationship or one to one employee, in which only one entity we are using, like one employee is managing the other employees managing the employees. So that is one to number of employees, so one to many. And team has been you can stands for the are managed by the team, number of individuals, so yeah, has been managed by the team. So one to one relationship. Next one is about again other examples, one to one. This one is employees assigned the parking place, product line contains the number of products, and students many to many courses has been registered. So these are the cardinalities that we have explained right now. The number of, we can say, relations. Maximum and minimum cardinalities, again, it's a concept. Just like HOD has a department, it's about, this one is the concept maximum and minimum, and maximum. So here one instance of the department make a relationship with minimum one as well as maximum one instance of HOD. So it's about maximum and minimum. These are the different symbols: optional one, optional many, mandatory one, mandatory many. These are the symbols that we can use for optional one cardinalities. Means maximum cardinality is one and minimum can be zero. So one, two, optional, जिसको हम कहते हैं one and zero. A student can borrow maximum one book from the library and may not borrow any book. that is optional. So one and optional, हम इसको zero के point of view से लेते हैं. Relationship between the book and student is optional. Optional many cardinalities, like when we are talking about optional and many. Optional one cardinality means maximum cardinality is many and minimum can be zero. So a faculty member can borrow many books from the library and may not borrow any book. So it's about optional many cardinalities. Cardinality, mandatory many cardinality. Mandatory many cardinality means maximum cardinality is many and minimum is one. So this is mandatory many cardinality. इसमें हमारे पास optional नहीं है, zero नहीं है. Its minimum is one. Like one faculty member can borrow at least one book from the library, and maximum cardinality is he can buy our cardinality is many and minimum is one. So minimum one means making a relationship with the book, and faculty member is mandatory. So this is mandatory many cardinality. So this is what we have, mandatory one cardinality. One cardinality means maximum cardinality is one and minimum is also one. So that is mandatory one cardinality. Just like a student can borrow exactly one book from the library, and maximum cardinality is one as well as minimum is also one. So this one is about the different relationship and cardinalities. Right now we have discussed class. अभी इसके बाद मैं आपको कुछ examples discuss करूंगी, and then we will discuss and we will move toward our assignment. Thank you so much students for this session. Thank you.